Hi everyone, as by the title, I wanted to share with you how I style my hair because I do have severely thin edges. Um, and I just wanted to share that with you. These are the products that I used. I used on the left the conditioner to detangle, Garnier whole blends to wash, and then my oil was the castor oil. I'll be using this styling cream from Lotta Body. But look at the sides here. It's hereditary in my family. On my mother's side, these thin fine edges. So I do style my hair to where I camouflage it and that you can't tell it. A lot of people say, you don't have thin hair. Yes, I do. But I style it to where I camouflage it. See there? And medication that I take also doesn't help it. So I started to use some hair, skin, and nail vitamins. I'm going to see if that's going to work a little bit better for me. The older I get, it thins out even worse. But I work with it. Here I have already sectioned off my hair, and I'm going to do some flat twist in the back and also on the sides. Right here, I'm combining the two sections from the back and the sides, and I'm going to twist it in a bantu knot to hold it in place. Here I'm just adding some more of the Lotta Body to my hair, the top of my hair, and also on the sides you'll see me putting some cream. It's actually my shea butter mix. I'm just putting those on my parts. Here I'm just sectioning off my hair because I'm going to style it in bantu knots. So I'm just sectioning in the front. When I do my bantu knots in the front, I just want my hair to lay kind of flat. So I'm going to section this section here so that I can do two then the rest of the portions will be in bantu. I'm using the Extreme Wet Line Hold Gel, and this is the key part here of the section, is I'm adding that to those thin sides to lay down those small little hairs that I have on the sides. Here I'm using my toothbrush, and this is to further smooth down my edges and my sides. Some people use a rat tail comb. I found that a lot of times I'll use the rat tail comb, but I also use a toothbrush to really get those small thin hairs to clump together so they can lay down a little bit more flat on the sides. This is after takedown and styling, and see how it does camouflage it. It's not totally camouflage, but it does give it the illusion that I have a little bit more hair than I do. You guys let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. You guys be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.